What's going on, YouTube? Back here with another video. Today, as you guys can see by the title, Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Now, I use this every single day. Now, I have made several videos with this bad boy. This is probably one of the greatest purchases that I've ever bought. Not gonna lie. Now, with that being said, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a little bit about this. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. Pretty much, this is the greatest thing I've ever bought. Not only in 2025, I mean, I had this since 2024. I'm thinking about getting another pair, but these glasses, what they can do is they can record, they can take pictures. I can ask it. It's my own little AI assistant like ChatGPT. And bro, it is probably the greatest thing to have. Now I'm gonna slip these on, and what they do is at any time I can ask it anything. They make noise. I can listen to music. I can literally listen to this with music. Like I could literally go out the house, put on my favorite tunes, and have it play in my ears from my glasses, which is absolutely insane. Now I'm making this video today pretty much to tell you guys, you definitely should pick this up. Now, when I first got this pair of glasses, they were sold out. They're restocking. They're back available if you want them. If you want to buy it, they're called the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. I have the blue light filter, as you guys can see. You can see my reflection from my actual thing. You can see the reflection from my actual glasses. They are actually blue light glasses, so whenever I'm gaming, looking at the monitor, the bright monitor, I wear these Jones and literally can play for long periods of time just because my eyes are not gonna get tired. With that being said, these glasses come with a camera on the left and right side. I don't know if you guys can see that, but left and right side, there's a camera, and they have the Ray-Ban logo on the right side of the glasses, kind of like the actual Ray-Ban glasses. But these are AI glasses. To record, you simply just press that button. As you guys can see, that little light right there, it's very distinct. You can't really notice it unless you look in there, but it's there. And you can record up to like 4 or 5 minutes on these glasses, which is actually crazy. So whenever I'm gaming, let's say I want to game, I can literally just press a button, boom, and have like a quick little short. I can make a quick little TikTok, whatever, or I can just record my best moments while I'm gaming. Or I can actually live stream off these. I forgot to tell y'all that. I can live stream from my phone and actually stream the video capture from my glasses to the actual live stream. So let's say I wanted to stream on Instagram. Oh, I can do that. Boom, pop it right there. Y'all can see my setup. Y'all can see me gaming, etc. Bro, and y'all see how crazy AI is going. Y'all see how crazy it is right now. It's just going crazy. You can literally make images out of just a word, like literally. You want Donald Trump to go eat some pasta? He can eat some pasta. You just put the prompt in. This is kind of like the glasses too. You say what you want. You ask for directions. You ask for a place to eat. You record a video just straight from your glasses, bro. And it has great battery life. Now, with that being said, I wanted to make this video so you guys can be aware. Ray-Ban Meta glasses is turned up. It really is. I've recorded so many videos that I probably could have created into shorts, and I probably would have 100,000 followers or subscribers by now, just off of that content in general. Now I'm going to be incorporating these glasses a lot on this channel and all my other channels as well. Y'all stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.